In this video, I'm going to show you the menu options that are available in the BayStation 1000. The first menu option available is the Run dial or menu option. There are a number of different options in the Run menu, which you can see by pressing the back button while in the Run menu option. You can choose one of the selections by using up and down arrows and pressing OK to select. You can also select or go through each of the menu options by pressing the right and the left arrows. The program setup menu option is the screens that you will use to set up any and all of your programs, including start times, run times, and so forth. The flow setup screen is where you will set up your water sources. So for example, if you have a flow meter and a master valve and possibly a pump, you would also is where you'll learn flow for zones and for programs. The search and assign menu option is primarily used initially upon setting up a new controller or a new site, or when you have to replace a 2-wire decoder or some other device. Each of these device options have two options within them. One is where you actually make the device assignment, and the other will have specific setup options for the type of device that you're configuring. The system setup screen is where you set the time and date for your system, where you set up your network settings, enable your local area live view setup, and so forth. If you need to change display brightness, set up your PIN passcode, or have something to do with importing or exporting files or backing up program data. You can also update your firmware in this screen. The test screen gives you the ability to test each of your devices, as well as a couple of general tests for the 2-wire and all devices at one time. Manual run allows you to manually start and stop zones and programs, as well as manually run master valves. And then the off dial position you'll use when you want to turn the system off, for example during the winter or when you're doing repairs and want to make sure no watering will happen. That's a look at the menu options in the BayStation 1000.